Look what we have here. It's the Tuxmat for the Tesla Model 3. See, I decided to try this company out here because I heard that they make one of the best mats on the market for the Tesla Model 3. So, one of my first add-ons to my Tesla Model 3 is going to be this, the Tuxmat. It's time to unbox this. Next step here, to get the driver's side mat. I wonder which is the driver's side. This looks like the passenger side, and this looks like the driver's side. Okay, so this must be the driver's side. So let's see. Okay, let's see this beautiful mat. Okay. There we go, that looks pretty good on the side there. Hasn't been fastened yet, but a little preview of what's to come. Alright, that's the driver's side so far installed. Looking pretty good, I'm gonna move over to the passenger side, and at the end we're gonna do any tweaks that we need to do. Alright, so let's look at the passenger
I would say
side.
the difficulties, probably about 5 or 6.
Here's the passenger side. I wish they included more Velcro.
So here's a look at
managed to get
the
all the
complete
clips
product. Here you go. I got the floor mats installed.
And as you can see, it took a little bit of time, but it was really good.